Hey everyone, it's Yoslyn and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be organizing my jewelry. I recently bought this off of Amazon and it is a jewelry organizer. And I decided I would organize all of my jewelry, mainly because a lot of my videos have to do with jewelry and you guys really like those. So that's why I'm going to be doing this today. I'll probably leave a link to this if you guys want to buy it because it was only like $8. And it's mainly for earrings, as you guys can see, and necklaces, but I have a ring and a bracelet on there. So if you guys want to watch me organize my jewelry and see all of the jewelry that I have, then just keep on watching. I set it up. It does not look like this when you first get it, but I put it together. I keep some of my earrings in this little case, but I'm going to be getting rid of some of them because some of them just aren't like good anymore. I don't know if that makes sense. Lost like the color they were, but here are some of my other earrings and I think I'm gonna put these on there too because I want to have all my earrings in one spot. I also have these ones. There's some more in here. This is a little thing I made. This was like the first thing I made in ceramics. It has like shells in it. When I went to the beach I got like shells. A lot of earrings in here. So like this is like the main reason why I got this, because all my earrings are just everywhere. And I keep wearing the same earrings over and over again because I forget which earrings I have. So I feel like this will just be a lot easier. I'm going to change the angle so you guys can see me organizing my earrings. This is the camera angle. It's not the best, but it's going to have to work for now. So I'm going to dump all my earrings out. I have stuff that's not earrings in here. Like I have pieces of sea glass. I did my hair like this today, but I don't really like it right now. Okay. I also have rings in here. See, this is like why I needed this, because I need a spot to put my earrings and not a whole bunch of random stuff. Also, another nice thing about this is I can put my hoop earrings on here, because like this one I bought, you can't put hoop earrings, like you can, but it doesn't look good. Like here's one and it just looks really weird. So let's start putting them on, and hopefully I have pairs, because if I don't have pairs, I'm gonna get rid of the earring. I'm gonna pair all of my earrings and then I'll get back to you guys. So this is gonna be in time lapse because I don't think you guys want to watch me pair all of my earrings together. So yeah. Okay, so I organized them, and then these ones all don't have a pair. That's kind of a lot, but I'm just gonna keep them over here and hopefully I find the pair later on. Sorry if you hear any background noise, the shower's on and that's why it sounds like that. But I'm gonna start putting the earrings on here, and I'm gonna start putting these on. I think I'm gonna organize it like maybe one whole side's gonna be like gold earrings and then silver. I wonder how well these are gonna stay. I don't know. I thought this was a good deal because like $8, if it doesn't work the best, it's fine because it was only $8. Look, that looks pretty good. I have 2 pairs of earrings on there. But I feel like these ones, like these really small ones, I feel like they'll go through the hole. I'll get the first section done with all these earrings and then I'll get back to you guys. Okay, so this is what it looks like so far. I don't have many gold earrings, so that's why it looks like this, but I have one row where it's just like stud earrings, and then I have this row where it's like bigger earrings, and then if I have any like dangly earrings, I'll put them at the top. But I'm so happy because I found these earrings. Like they're little like studs, but I thought I lost it, and then I found one in this pile and the other one was in my ring pile, so that's how I lost them. But I'm really happy about that, and I'm gonna put them on here. I will say though, it does have like an odd number, an even pair, but then here it's like random 2. So it's kind of random. I feel like they could have left off with this one, but then I have this earring because that earring, there's not a pair to it. Like it's just an accent earring, so that's why I put it there. It's kind of hard to put the earrings on this because it like spins and it's moving, and then you gotta go through the back. Like that's what I've been doing. You can kind of tell in the time lapse that I'm going through the back of this and putting the earring backs on. But here's how it looks. It's really simple. And now we're gonna do the silver earrings. It's kind of hard to get certain earrings inside of here, but this is what it looks like. We have like the dangly earrings and then hoop earrings, and then I have like one pair of earrings right there because I'm still adding to it. These are my favorite pair of earrings, and they're like pretty beat up because I've had them for like a year and I wear them a lot, but they look like this. They're like little blue rocks, and I got them from TJ Maxx, and I saw another pair of these like exact earrings at TJ Maxx, and I didn't buy them because I was like, I already have these, but now I'm kind of wishing I bought them because this rock is loose. Like, it's loose, and I feel like one day it's gonna fall out, but oh. I really like these earrings, like the blue. I don't know, I like blue, so I like these. And I'm kind of wishing I bought the pair I saw at TJ Maxx. But I'm gonna keep adding. I have a lot of earrings. I'm throwing away some earrings because they're just not good anymore, because some of my earrings are like from H&M, and earrings go bad. Like, they turn green if they're not real, and that's what some of my earrings are doing. So I'm getting rid of those ones, and I'm just continuing adding. I like this a lot. I can see all my earrings like a lot easier. So far I recommend this, but I'm gonna keep adding on earrings, and then I'll update you guys again. Okay, honestly, my arm kind of hurts from like going like this, but I have a good amount of earrings on here now, so this is what it looks like. Like, here we have dangly gold earrings, and you can even put ear cuffs on this. Like, where the necklaces go, you can put an ear cuff, because that's what I did. And then I have more earrings, and then I have like the smaller earrings, and on the bottom row I have nothing. And then on my silver earrings, I almost filled everything up. I just need like these ones. But I have dangly earrings, and then I have like hoop earrings, and then stud earrings, and on the very bottom I have blue earrings. So yeah, and then I even started on this side, and I have one pair of dangly earrings. I have an ear cuff right here too. But the only thing I will say is, if you have like earring backs that are like this, small and clear, these aren't gonna work with this because they just go through the hole. I don't know why the earring hole is so big. Like, if you guys can see that, that's really big for an earring. That's why I was kind of struggling, because I was trying to find like different backs that would work for this. But I'm almost done. I didn't realize how many earrings I had until now. I actually do change my earrings quite frequently, so yeah, I don't have like one pair of earrings that I wear every single day. This is what it's looking like, and now I'm gonna continue, even though my arm's starting to hurt from putting so many in. And I'll get back with the next update. I really don't have that many earrings. Like, I'm looking around trying to find like pairs, and I don't have that many, so that means I'm almost done. I'm finally done putting all of my earrings on here. I think I'll just flip the camera so you guys can see this better. So this is what it looks like. I have all of my gold earrings on this side. So like, here's a close-up. It's like kind of organized. Like, these are stud earrings. This isn't really as organized because these were like the ones I found after I did all of this. And then these are like bigger earrings. Here we have like dangly earrings, and then these are all dangly earrings, and then an ear cuff. And I also didn't notice that it has like holes to put earrings in all the way on the side, like all the way on the side. These are my silver earrings. So we have dangly earrings, an ear cuff, hoop earrings, studs, and then blue earrings. And then on this side it's empty, except we have 2 earrings, which are just these ones, and then hoops. And then this side's completely empty. If I ever buy more earrings, I can put them on this side because I still have a whole bunch of space. And I have this side. This just has some earring backs in it, and some earrings that I didn't feel like putting on here because these are like the infinity hoop ones and they take a lot of work to put in your ears. I didn't want to have to put them on this because I know that they take longer time to put on. And I also just have like clear earring backs in here as well. If I ever need like earring backs, I know they're in there. Is all of my earrings all organized? I recommend you guys buy this if you have a lot of earrings. You can also put necklaces on it, but I don't really need to do that because I have another one that I have my necklaces on. I just need a spot to put this because I don't know where I'm gonna put this in my room. But other than that, I really like it. I did kind of do a lot of it in time lapse because I thought it'd be boring if you guys watched me put each earring in like real time. Comment down below your favorite place to buy jewelry. My favorite place is TJ Maxx because I always find like some of my favorite earrings there. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!